In another of our video about Peng Chau, I visited different spots such as their main street and the leather factory aka Secret Garden. In this video, we will show you the most famous shop on this small island. Back in the days, Peng Chau had a lot of factories and Porcelain Factory was one of them. Mr. and Mrs. Lam started Chiu Kee Porcelain Factory in the 70s. After the industry faded, Chiu Kee became more like a retail business. If you come on a weekday and Mrs. Lam isn't too busy, she may welcome you by giving you a little tour about the shop and displays. 但以前嗰啲金雞碗真係呢咁嘅樣㗎，以前
好多㗎，唔係佢以前嗰啲。
我成日譬如喺擺翻好啲，好驚。
以前係咁樣㗎。
係咯，密啲㗎嘛，係啊。
密質質，而家我一個屬於都佢成日嚟我做師傅，佢而家都畫到差唔多㗎，都 OK 啦。上色就未咁樣啦。個個唔同㗎，嗱呢個師傅畫又唔同啦，嗱。
呢個，哦。
呢個又唔同啦。
哦，隻眼又真係唔同啲喎，一睇隻眼。個個都唔同㗎。係啊。嚇，個個畫嘅師傅個雞公唔同嘅。嗱呢隻係舊㗎啦。呢啲都係舊㗎，呢啲。舊嘢嚟㗎，係啊，同埋一個師傅做嘅，呢個同一個師傅。犀利！哇，好耐冇見過呢啲，係咪食翅嗰啲嚟嘅呢啲？係啊，冇錯啦。係啊。叫做咩唔知叫做食火。即係唔識都好耐。以前仲大啲，因為你12個人一定仲大啲添。係啊。10寸嘅啲12寸啊，係啊。呢啲真係。呢個就紙咯，呢個叫做。呢啲。哇！呢個正啊，呢個。呢個大陸嘅。大陸嘅咩？大陸雞。大陸雞哦，唔係你哋畫嘅。唔係，我哋邊有做咁簡單？係幾好笑。I love handmade products. When I'm here, it's hard not to shop. And Mrs. Lam teaches me how to appreciate a high-quality porcelain, which is by listening to it. This is a coffee cup. Coffee cup in Chinese porcelain. Yee. The last two. I bought the last two. Okay, yay. 都係我知，係好唔該。你又試下？好啊，我又試下。好啊，好啊。揸得唔得㗎？揸手。哦，即係。係咪清脆啲啊？又係喎。即係話清脆。哦。沙沙聲咧就有。After Mr. Lam passed away in 2014, Mrs. Lam was the only one to run the business. She would teach some porcelain workshops, mostly in the weekends. Feel free to contact Hong Kong Guy for more details if you want to join any of them. After shopping, my friend Wally and I continue our journey in Peng Chau. In the next video, Wally is going to pray for romance at the famous temple, and it works! Make sure you subscribe to our Hong Kong Guy channel for the latest video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!